In this video, our technical analysis for the Bitcoin price has played out exactly as predicted. But the question is, are we going down even way further kay Bitcoin price action, or are we going to see a consolidation? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And take note guys, you can check out our Gab's Crypto 101 videos if you want to learn crypto for free. You can actually check that one out by clicking that link in the description down below. But anyway, let's now dive into our previous analysis kay Bitcoin price action. So, diba, sa ating previous analysis, this is what we were monitoring, the increasing price while the RSI is declining, and that is a sign of a traditional bearish divergence. So, in that case, we might see a trend reversal to the downside. And look at this, guys. Look at that movement. It played out exactly as predicted. So, congratulations, guys, if you have traded that movement. And diba, sabi ko sa inyo, kahapon nag-open ako ng short position within this area and then nag-set ako ng take profit around the 30.9k or 31k. And right now, nag-close na yung aking short position. But right now, even though na nag-decline siya lower, wala kasi tayong assurance kung saan siya pupunta. But right now, we actually started looking like a retracement dito sa ating 29.7k area. Right now, let's now dive into the Bitcoin price action and understand what is next for the Bitcoin price action. So, as you can see in the early time frame, you can see na we are pretty much consolidating. We became oversold, indicating that that was a good buying opportunity for the very short term. But wala tayong signs of a bullish trend reversal or a bullish retracement price action. So, in this case, I think I'm going to expect more consolidation dito with the Bitcoin price. But if let's say, ang nangyari is nag-consolidate siya tapos nag-decline siya one last time, if let's say nag-drop siya one more time and drop even lower, at the same time yung RSI niya nag-start siya mag-increase, then that case, that could be a sign of a bullish trend reversal. So in that case, if makita tayo ng ganung movement, then we might see Bitcoin have or form a bullish trend reversal signal. So that is the only case na we might see a bullish trend reversal signal only if we are going to see that declining price at the same time the RSI is increasing. But at the time being na wala tayong nakikitang ganon, we are not going to expect a trend reversal hanggat wala tayong nakikitang ganung movement. So for the time being, expect consolidation. And the moment na makita tayo ng bullish divergence, saka lang tayo mag-expect ng bullish trend reversal. And ito din yung gusto ko ipakita sa inyo guys, which is actually itong 4-hour time frame. Kasi if you're going to look at the 4-hour time frame, right, let's try to dive in with the 4-hour time frame. Kasi may nakita tayo nagko-form na consistent na resistance right now. And that is actually the 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. Kasi look at this. Previously, on a bearish movement, we are actually seeing a lot of resistance dito sa ating 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. And as you can see, yun yung ating crucial resistance area dito kay Bitcoin price action. And right now, as you can see, we are starting to get another resistance within that area. So it's going to indicate na right now, we have a moving resistance with the Bitcoin price. So for the coming days, this is what we have to monitor. This red line, this 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame, kasi that is going to act as a crucial resistance with the Bitcoin price. And for the time being, what you can also monitor is the 100 moving average as a support. So I think we can consolidate it further with the Bitcoin price following this 100 MA and the 200 MA in the 4-hour time frame. And on top of that, as you can see, if you're going to look at the 4-hour time frame, you could somehow say that we are also forming a potential bullish engulfing. That is wherein this green candle closes higher than the previous red on a bear trend. In that case, that could be a sign of a bullish reversal. So that is also another thing which we can monitor for the coming hours, especially if you're going to close na color green. At the same time, yun yung nakita nating bullish engulfing, then we might see a potential bullish movement or bullish tracement. In that case, we can target around the 30.9k as our next target resistance. So that is what I am going to monitor with the Bitcoin price. And take note, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, as usual, you can trade that with Bybit. And if you want to claim bonus with Bybit, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. And also, gusto ko din actually pag-usapan yung ating Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, but tingin ko kulang in time natin. So I'll reserve this to another video kasi marami tayong magandang pag-uusapan regarding the logarithmic growth curve, especially na what can we expect within the coming weeks. So expect a video within this week na pag-uusapan natin yung logarithmic growth curve and we'll understand how are we going to move within the crypto market following the logarithmic growth curve. Now, let's dive into the altcoin market kasi look at this. Dominance is increasing. So, that is indicating na altcoins are still bleeding against Bitcoin. As you can see, Ethereum is still bleeding against Bitcoin. So, for the time being, I don't think na mag-perform better yung ating altcoin market. So, for the time being, expect more consolidation or bleeding with the altcoin market. So, for the time being, focus more with the Bitcoin price action rather than the altcoin market. But anyway, I'm muna update for today's video. So, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.